Hey everybody, welcome to Algoma University. I'm Eric and I'm a graduate researcher here and I want to show you my laboratory. So let's take a look. Hey, welcome to the lab. I think my friend's around here somewhere. Professor Finnigan, are you here?
Hello, Professor J. Finnigan here. I'm a professional stickologist and I will be doing some research today. I have some important bark samples to analyze. Why don't you tell them about your research?
Sure thing, Professor Finn. I'd love to tell them about my research. So I did my honors thesis on microplastics and protists. And you're probably wondering, what's a protist? Well, let me show you.
Do you see that thing moving around? That's a protist. Protists are small, mostly microscopic organisms that can be found anywhere where there's water. Protists are an extremely diverse group of organisms that aren't plants, animals, fungi, or bacteria. I was looking at protists that hunt for their food and eat other organisms to see if they would ingest microplastic particles. But wait, you're probably wondering what microplastic is. Well, microplastics are made from the breakdown of larger plastic items over time. You see, most organic material, like an apple, will break down and undergo changes quickly, releasing those nutrients into the environment. Plastics, on the other hand, they keep getting smaller and smaller and don't change into something that can easily be broken down in the environment. They just keep getting smaller. And these small particles are hard to see, but they're still down there. So did you see that the protists can ingest these microplastics? I used tiny microplastic particles that would glow when exposed to certain light, known as fluorescent polymers. I then used the protists and contaminated soils with these microplastics in different amounts to see if the microplastics would be ingested by the protists. So what did you find? Well, if you look at this protist here swimming around, do you see those black dots? Those are microplastics. And here, when I turn the microscope to the fluorescent setting, I can see those microplastics inside of the protist itself that are glowing. Wow, that's very interesting. Yes, this shows that microorganisms can make mistakes and think that these small microplastics are food and accidentally eat them. And this could cause problems for them because these microplastics aren't going to give them the nutrition that they need.
Oh wow, that was pretty cool. Hey Finn, wouldn't you want to learn how to see some protists at home? I sure would. Hey everybody, science is everywhere. So let's take a look and find some pond water for our experiment. Oh, here we go. All right. So you can find water like this just about anywhere. In puddles, in little streams, maybe even a pond. So take a look for some not so clear water, and there's all sorts of things living inside of there, including protists. So you can easily see protists at home with just your smartphone, some pond water, and something that's a nice flat surface that's white. So you can take your smartphone and zoom it in as far as you possibly can with your camera app, and wow! You can't believe all the amazing things you can see just with a smartphone. As you can see, you can find science everywhere. So keep looking out for it. And if you see any plastics, make sure to put plastic in its right place to help reduce the amount of microplastics we find in our environment. And if you want to find more about the awesome science going on at Algoma University, check out Algoma University's website for more information.